Another useful printing feature is being able to repeat column headers at the top of each printed page. By default, when printing multiple sheets, the column header only appears on the first page, and if I go down to any of the second or third pages, you'll notice that column header does not appear. To remedy this, I need to go back into my spreadsheet, go to the page layout ribbon at the top, go and select print titles. By default, the sheet tab is selected. I go and click within the field rows to repeat at top, and simply click on the row number that I'm wanting to repeat. From here I can go straight to print preview. There it displays my row on page 1, and if I go into a second or third page, that row header appears on each and every page. Just one other thing I need to remedy here, and that is that I've got two columns which are spilling over into a second sheet. To fix that, first method I can try is to narrow my margins. In so doing, you can see one of those columns disappears from my second sheet and now reappears on sheet 1. And the alternative to that, which is a variation of fitting sheet on one page, is to fit all columns on one page. And that there forces all my columns to appear on page 1. Just one point to make, and that is if I go to page setup from here, you'll notice that some of the features are grayed out, including the option rows to repeat at top. Because I need to access the rows within the sheet itself, I cannot access it from my print preview. To show you a variation of rows to repeat at top, if I go back to my sheet and go into a second example, here you can see my headers are split across multiple rows. Same principle here though. From page layout, go to print titles. Here go to rows to repeat at top field. Drag my mouse across the multiple rows which represent those headers. Here I can go straight to print preview again, and you'll notice that those row headers do now appear at the top of each sheet in my printout.